we can take one small risk. Possibility is there. If the chances are higher, it may fall it down back also. With a small risk, 0.5 lots will enter. And lot also. Entered here. Stop loss will be below this. TP will be maybe sideways. The chances are higher. It is almost 1:2. Small scale, maybe chances are higher, so there will be not mentioned in the Telegram channel. Anyone wants to interested to take also, they can take it up with a small stop loss. Maybe market is sideways, so the 1:1 risk. If market breaks this first zone, and once if this is breakdown, you can get your stop losses to this zone. Sideways chances also it's too much is there. Just with the risk reward we can enter it, not issue. Actually we have kept a SL here. Now see, if we keep this, it will be almost approx to 3. Okay. But with the buffer zone, always use the buffer zone. Okay, this zone is always a buffer zone because I am ready to give a stop loss of this. So like that you think. With a small risk, with a small profit. 1:1 maybe for a scalping it will be good choice, and 1:2 always use for a more than a 5 minutes time frame or 15 minutes time frame. Don't go below that. See, always in a Asian session, keep clear in the mind. Market fast movement it may not give you, but it may chances are higher that majority time in a Asian session you may get a sideways only because the market volume will be not that much greater compared to London and New York sessions. New York sessions you can see the fast momentum, impulsive candles and all. Okay, but in the morning Asian session with a relax you can be manage your risk rewards comparative to New York sessions. So if you're watching for the first time, whatever the questions are there, you can ask me directly. You can message me. Anything for any kind of support, definitely I'm there for you guys. Not related of how to open the account, everything. I personally prefer that whatever the beginner peoples are there, let them try it out by self learning is the most important. Once you stick it up, okay, this is my career, this is what I'm going to choose in the future, then only you can join as a subscriber, or else you can see watch it down. Whatever you want to do, you can do by your self learning and self interested and self motivated person only they can do the achievements. Okay guys, now you edit your stop losses to the break even, so there should be no losses. There should be no losses. Yes, good. It's pushing upside. Because today's geopolitical news is SP 500 and Nasdaq is barely blinking after the Trump Iran surrender. The news is also not that great. Even London's record precious metals demands at the British Royal Mint. Gold is up of 94% and silver is up. The majority time if you are doing, one of the best website is that is World Monitor app. You can try it up that. You can see the real time news and updates and all. You may get it up. Okay, in the live you can see what is happening, what is not happening. We can see what is the gold price, everything. See, too much of news is consuming too much of news is also sometimes what it makes is it makes us feel insecure, and whatever the trade we are getting entering into the trade, no, we will not feel secured. Okay, we will feel sometimes why we entered, or your news is there, what is going to happen. Always remember this: first price action will happen, then only the news reactions will happen. Always don't believe that after the news price action is happening. No, that is not true. And to be a harsh reality, always first the price action will be happening, then only the news will be published. After that only the news published will be happening. Even as we are a retail traders, not even a 0.001% we are. The big players are paying lot of money for the informations and data, everything. They will be having a big data, so what is happening in the world, what is happening right now, they will be knowing much more than us. So only in the market many people will say that follow the SMC or big companies or big whales. Okay, this is a reality. Whatever the news is coming, it is almost 100 means it will be when it's coming to us, it will be a 1%. So newses are just to information, that's it. You consider like this. Believe on price action. Only three things. When if you are following the disciple traders, only follow the three things. One is price action, another one is trend line or EMI support. I'm sorry, it's a EMA support. EMA support, we can, it easily shows that market whether it's in trending or whether it's in a sideways. Already we can see that market is in a sideways. Okay, so that is the reason I told it up. 1:1 should be there. 1:1 means scalping always choose for a 1:1. Okay, second opportunity will get a 1:2. That's in a more than a minimum 15 minutes time frame to 1 hour time frame. If you are choosing for a 3, the 1:3, then go for a higher time frame, more than a 1 hour to 4 hour. Okay, you should be very clear on that. And one more important point is, whenever you enter into the trade, you are getting opportunity. First you should do is fix your stop losses. You always see the capital as a, not as a profit. Always see the capital as a 0.1% risk I'm taking. So whether whatever market it's doing or not, it's going in sideways, either it's in upside momentum or a downside moment. If I lost, I should lose a 1%. Be very clear. In the day starting itself, you write it down in the notepad or stick pad. Just write it down. Stick your that stick pad next to your, in front of you. Always 1% risk it should be there. Either if I lost today, I should lose my, in one trade 1% should be gone. If I gain it, either I should be in a break even or either I should be in a profit. Like this kind of a mindset, no, definitely it will change your trading career, trust me. And the last is volume. How volume is, whether it is getting trending or whether it is in lagging. I'll show you. Just if you see this, just I'll keep you a 1 hour time frame. So we'll remove this, all the things, this nonsense, everything. See here, this first zone, the first pull up has been happened. No, you see these volumes. I hope you can easily see that. Yes, right? You can easily able to see it, right? This kind of a volume, it's what it's telling is, LS has been tried it down. From this zone, they tried it up. You can see the volumes also, it's decreasing. So chances are there in this support, buyers may come. Buyers may enter in this zone. The last candle, they tried it very harder to push it down. They couldn't able to do that. So later what happened is, market has been pushing towards upside. Okay, see the candles, not even a one candle is rising above the last candles. All it is trying to push it up, but it is falling, not even a break of that simple moving average. Okay, so this kind of a mentality, if you keep it, no, how its volume also, always combine these three. One is price action, one is EMA, and another one is a volume candle. And last, news is also you can do. I suggest for the beginners or moderate traders also, if its news is there, better you avoid the trade and sit and watch it. That's it. It's not even a good for you guys. I am sure it's not even a good for you guys, because many people, even my earlier career also, I have lost more monies in the news, because I used to think earlier stages, everyone as a human, a technical error will be there and learning phase will be there. Even we also, whatever the smart idea, even today, till today, I will never say that okay, I am the best trader in the world. No, I can be a best trader only if I know to manage my risk. In the risk, in the sense, that is not a rocket science. Okay, simple understanding in the language, if I say you guys, is whenever market gives a impulsive move, market will come and respect that zone. Okay, you be very clear on it. See, EMI is trending, impulsive candle we got it up, that's good. So what we should do is, either we should, if you are little bit fear, you get your stop losses above, don't keep too much of this near to this candle. Okay, then if you're keeping this much of candle, whenever if you get a impulsive move, whatever the highest position you're getting, you book and you come out of the trade. For that kind of a trades, that is called as a scalping trades. Okay, if you want to learn in the market, don't run behind the scalping trades. You cannot learn. Either you will be winning more than 10 trades. Okay, in one trade itself you will lose everything. With the overconfidence you will lose everything. So kindly don't do that. You only choose always a 1:2 means go for a higher time frame. Minimum it should be a 5 minutes, not below that. And whatever the profit you are getting, example, you try to bring it up for the break even zone. Either if market falls down also, you will not be in a loss. Okay, you will be in a break even for that trade. For that trade, what you taken in the morning session, even let it be in an evening session, and whatever time frame is there, whatever situations are there, you will be in a break even. So you can, with the confidence, you can think that, okay, this kind of a trade execution if I do means definitely I'll be in a success. Yes, of course, maybe it may be a earlier stages for you to see how market is reacting, but definitely trust me guys, one day you are going to master it. Don't see too much of charts, only see few charts, either whichever you are comfortable. If you are going for a forex, choose only 2 3 this one is euro USD, it's very good, and another one is USD JPY, that is also awesome. Another one is USD GBP, Great Britain pounds. Okay, that three it's better. In comparatively, if you go for a commodities, gold and silver is there. Silver, it may react, but the one is comparatively, if you ask me which one is a better means in commodities, I'll directly say that you learn to trade riskier only. No, learn to trade riskier only, riskier option only you true. Don't go for lesser or okay, I'm very safe in this, I 0.1 lot. You always measure your profits or in a winning trades. Okay, how many trades I'm taking today, how many winnings are I'm doing, whether I'm losing doing a profit or a loss. This kind of a mindset you keep it up, definitely it will change your game. And most probably 3 phases you choose it. One is first phase you always choose a demo account, that's okay. Demo account, many of the smart brokers are giving options, you do that, that's okay, not issue. Whatever the people may think, whatever the people may say, whatever other people are thinking, learning is most important. Second, you should choose always a funded accounts, any funded account, not more than $5,000, not more than that. $36, save it, save your money, either pocket money. Once if you're confident, then only go pitch into the funded accounts, because funded account don't be to run earlier or take a big trades. Don't do that. Learn it, how it works. Even one small mistake if you do also, that will be account will be blown away. Okay, that is discipline you needed to, if you want to crack it, you needed to be a very disciplined, then only you can do the funded account cracked. Once you take continuously 3 payouts, until 3 payouts you are in a moderate trader. Once you take 3 payouts, then you are a 40% of good trader list. Then you go for a real account, that to start with the small sizes of minimum of $100 to $1,000. I suggest, I give a request personally, don't choose for $100, because you in $100 you cannot able to survive. You cannot able to, either risk reward you cannot handle it. Choose for $1,000, it will be a better choice for you. If you want to grow in the market, choose $1,000, wait it, save the capitals, let it take 1 year also, save the capitals, then you choose for that option. Okay, that is a harsh reality. If you ask me, that is a harsh reality. So guys, if you're watching for the first time, please do subscribe my channel, and whatever the support and love you're shown, and my subscribers, thanks a lot for them. And most importantly, Telegram channel is there below in the description. You can join it, and even if you can you follow you can follow Insta also, so you can stay connected with us. Thank you so much. See, newses are there, upcoming back-to-back newses are there. The market definitely it will show the less interest towards the moment. Okay, until the newses is coming, it will seek a liquidity. Either any one, two, three sites, it will seek a liquidity. So whenever if you are not interested, if you are seeing that okay, good profit is happening, just I want to book it. It means definitely you choose the book. Either two TPs are getting means definitely you can choose the this one. How much now we are getting it? See, now we are getting is a 69 pips. Already 136 pip market has been, and people so many see. I don't want to blame anyone. At the same time, I don't want to put them down and show that I am better. No, not like that. Never do like that. In your own mindset, everyone are smart enough to lead their life. Okay? Choose it like this. Whatever positive and negative is coming to your life, please ignore the negativity. Choose the positivity. Focus on what you want to do. Don't focus on what others. Okay. Own your main business. and you can choose some of the support and demand also, and key zones are most importantly, it will act very with a clarity. See, either maybe it may be a support or it may be a resistance. Choose always what you can handle it. Don't choose what you cannot handle it. You cannot handle it, what means market you cannot handle, because you are putting somewhere zero point 0.1 lots. Hmm. You cannot able to change that mindset. Okay, but you can change this. You can secure your capital. At the same time, where you should do the trading, where you should not do the trading, you can focus that also. Even it may be a false entry also, chances are there. Okay, it may come and sweep also, it may, chances are there, because in sideways market definitely chances are more higher that you can be in the zone of either in a profit, either in a loss. Now we are in a break even, so choose like that, that's it. If the sellers are strong, not strong enough, then market may come and fall, that's it. That's it, only two chances are there. Maybe market may seek this liquidity, may sweep this liquidity. This is there. Close this trade in the wrong entry. I hope we can enter one small lot size, same into that with a small stop loss of this. Either market push it down, we'll be outside of the market. Keep your so two entries we have made it. Two standard lot. Because the 4-hour time frame it is not showing interest, it is almost in a selling mindset. Market is in selling mindset. Because I see the market as a 100% of it wants to take a liquidity. Definitely we have opportunities to hit a TP of second TP also. Chances are higher. If this hit a SL, then for morning sessions we'll close it. That's it. Two trades. Close is most important. the candle is closing very stronger, then we may sweep. It may happen a liquidity sweep also. We will be get out of the trade. If the candle closes better this one, at least we have a chance. And the close has been happened very badly. We already kept our stop losses. Okay, so we'll stick on to that. That's it. It should break this candle high. If this candle 5 minutes candle is closing half of this candle, no, somewhere here, means the strength is not there. Chances again market may come down to here, then again it may respect, and again you can see the closing. Until the closing is happening, just push it. That too in a 4 hours only we can see the market, it's in a selling zone normally, in even in a day, but 1 hour it's in a sideways, and even 15 it's a side. 5 minutes here and there we can just keep the hopes of 100 pips or 120 pips, 150, around 100 to 200 pips we can expect. Guys, SL has been gone. Okay, consider SL has been hit. If you see a little bit here, I told it that if the candle has been closing at least half of this, then we can expect the fall. Now it has been got it up. That's okay. We did a 2 trades. We got a first TP, then two. That's okay, not an issue for me. Then two, we should accept the losses. That's it. So 2 trades. One is in break even, one is in loss. $300.